In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail's Smart Compose feature. Smart Compose is an incredibly useful tool that can help you craft emails more efficiently by suggesting phrases and words as you type, saving you time and effort. Whether you're frequently communicating in a professional setting or just want to streamline your personal email correspondence, Smart Compose can make your life a bit easier. To get started, the first thing you want to do is head over to Google. Open your web browser and type Google into the search bar, or simply type in google.com if that's quicker for you. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Google account to access Gmail. If you're not already signed in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. This will lead you to a secure sign-in page where you can enter your credentials to access your Google account. Once you've signed in, look for the Gmail icon, which is typically found among the grid of apps, sometimes referred to as the Google Apps menu, in the upper right corner as well. Click on that Gmail icon to enter your Gmail dashboard. This is where you can view all of your emails, compose new messages, and organize your inbox. With the Gmail dashboard open, the next step is to make your way to the settings to enable Smart Compose. Look for the gear icon again in the upper right corner, which represents the settings menu. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. From here, select See All Settings to access the full range of options available to you within Gmail. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the General tab at the top. Under this tab, scroll down until you find the Smart Compose section. Here you'll have options to turn the Smart Compose feature on or off. To activate Smart Compose, simply check the box next to where it says Writing Suggestions On. By doing this, you're telling Gmail to begin offering suggestions as you type your emails. Once you've enabled Smart Compose, don't forget to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes to ensure your preferences are applied. Now when you start composing an email, you'll see grey suggestions appear as you type, offering words or phrases that might complete your sentence. You can press the Tab key to accept the suggestions or just keep typing to ignore them. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide on how to use Gmail's Smart Compose feature. This tool can help you cut down on repetitive typing and enhance your emailing efficiency. Enjoy a more seamless emailing experience with Gmail Smart Compose.